Hello children, this is you Ashwini, addressing from myself English Medium School, dealing with subject English of class 2. See children, in our last video, we learned about this lesson is Tubby the fat cat. Okay, now we are going to textual grammar of this lesson. What is this lesson? Tubby the fat cat. Okay, coming to the A Roman. Tick the correct words to complete the sentences. Okay. First one, Andy was a dash. A fat cat. B 7 years old boy. Okay. In our lesson, what would you learn? Yes, Andy was a 7-year-old boy. So first one is B. You have to tick that one. Okay. Already first one they gave. Now second one. And his father wanted him to go to bed early so that he could get enough. What enough? A. Food. B. Sleep and rest. Okay, and his father what is the time? Yes, this is the sleeping time. You have to go to rest and sleep. So, and his father said you have to go to sleep and rest. So, what is the answer? Second one is B. Second one is B. Okay, now third one. And his grandfather had a pet cat named. Okay, and his grandfather pet cat name was Tubby. So answer is A. A third one, A Tubby. Fourth one, Andy was dashed to find Tubby in his bed. Okay, A happy, B surprised. Okay, what is the answer? Andy was happy to find Tubby in his bed? No, Andy was surprised because of in his bed Tubby is there. Okay, so he was surprised. So Andy was surprised to find Tubby in his bed. Fourth one is B. The last one, fifth one is Tubby was dash in Andy's bed. Okay, what is the Tubby is doing in Andy's bed? He is snoring. He is snoring. Yes. Fifth one, A. Snoring like a train. B. Playing. So what is the answer? A. Snoring like a train. So Tubby was snoring like a train in Andy's bed. C Roman. Write Andy or Tubby. See all of you. In this blanks, you have to write only for Andy or Tubby. Okay. First one. Dash was a 7-year-old boy. Is it Tubby or Andy? Andy. So Andy was a 7-year-old boy. So first one is Andy. Second one, Dash was a fat cat. Who was a fat cat? Tubby. Okay. So second one, Tubby. So Tubby was a fat cat. Now third one. Dash did not go to sleep on time. Okay, who did not go to sleep on time? Is it Tubby or Andy? Andy. So third one, Andy. Now fourth one. Father told Dash that it was important to sleep and rest. Okay, who said these words? Father. Father to whom? Everiki cheppari sentences to Andy or Tubby? Andy. Father told Andy that it was important to sleep and rest. Okay. Now fifth one. Grandpa suggested that Dash could help them. Okay. Grandpa suggested that. Everyone suggested who suggested? Grandpa suggested that Tubby could help them. Tubbies could help them to Andy. So fifth one is Tubby. Sixth one. Dash was able to help Dash go to sleep on time. Dash was able to help. ఏది హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది? Tubby. Okay. So first dash is Tubby. Tubby was able to help. Whose help? Andy. Tubby was able to help Andy go to sleep on time. See all of you. D Roman. Underline the correct words to complete each sentence. Okay. First one. Andy never went to sleep dash time. In this blanks you have 3 options are there. You have to correct the answer and underline that word only. Okay. First one, see all of you. Andy never went to sleep dash time. Is it on 1? No. What is the answer? On time. Okay. Andy never went to sleep on time. Okay. Now second one. No one know where Tubby was. No one know where Tubby was. Okay, what is the answer, ma? KNEW, NEW, or MEW? KNEW. No one knew where Tubby was. Okay. Third one, mother made tomato soup. Mother made tomato soup. Okay, see all of you. MAID made, MATE made, MADE made. What is the answer? Made. MADE made. Mother made tomato soup. Fourth one, grandpa asked for a piece of cake. Grandpa asked for a piece of cake. What is the spelling of piece? PIACE, PACE, PLEASE, please. What is the answer? PIECE, piece. A piece of cake. Okay. Now, fifth one. Father cut the cake into 8 pieces. Father cut the cake into 8 pieces. HATE, ATE, EIGHT. What is the answer? 8. EIGHT. How many pieces? 8 pieces. Okay. So, first one is on. Second one, no, KNEW. Third one, MADE, made. Fourth one, piece, PIECE, piece. Fifth one, 8, EIGHT, 8. E Roman, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay. First one, Andy did not dash what his mother said. Okay. What his mother said. Well, mother ఏం చెప్తుందో వాడు ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు? See all of you. Option C. A. See. B. Hear. C. Smell. Okay. Andy did not see. Andy did not hear. And Andy did not smell. What is the answer? Andy did not hear what his mother said. Okay. So first one is B. Second one, Tishab's mother wears a ring on her dash. Okay, ring. Mother wears a ring on her dash. A. Finger. B. Neck. C. Wrist. Okay. Ring దేనికి పెట్టుకుంటాం మనం? Finger or neck or wrist? Finger. So second one is finger. So Rishabh's mother wears a ring on her finger. Third one, can you dash a picture of a cat? A. Spell. B. Write. C. Draw. So what is the answer, mom? Draw. Can you draw a picture of a cat? Now fourth one, the children are dashed in the pool. Okay, pool. The children are dashed in the pool. A. Jogging. B. Skipping. C. Swimming. In the pool, what are the doing of children? Swimming. So the children are swimming in the pool. Okay. First one, hear. Second one, finger. Third one, draw. And fourth one, swimming. F Roman, read the clues and complete these words. Okay. Here we have some clues and you have to use these clues and write the complete these words. Okay. And also you have some pictures also. Okay. First one, this keeps you warm in winter. This keeps you warm in winter. What is that? See all of your picture also, see? Yes, what is this, ma? Blanket. Okay. In winter, you have to wear blanket. So blanket spelling BL. Already BL there is. So ANKET. What is the spelling of blanket? BLANKET. Okay. This is a color. What is the small? Second one is this is a color. BLUE. Blue. Okay. Third one. This is the name of a dress that rhymes with house. Okay. Name of a dress that is the rhyme with house. What is the house of? Is a rhyming word. House rhyming. What is it, ma? Another word is, some clue is name of a dress. Okay. House. Blouse. House. Blouse. So spelling is BLOUSE. BLOUSE. Okay. Fourth one, this is a toy that children play with. This is the toy, mom. Okay. The children play with blocks. Okay. Here see all of your picture also is there. So blocks. 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 Okay. First one, blanket. Second one, blue. Third one, blouse. And fourth one, blocks. G Roman, drop E and add ing to these words. See all of you, here we have some words are there, some last letter is E. So you have to drop that E letter and you have to add in E place, you have to add ing. Okay. See all of you, first one see, B-A-K-E, bake. In bake, what is the last letter of this word? E. So you have to drop E and add ing. So baking, B-A-K-I-N-G, baking. So remaining C all of you same as like above. So second one, hide, H-A-D-E. So you have to drop E and add ing. So H-A-D-I-N-G, hiding. And now third one, make. In this make also you have to drop E and add ing, M-A-K-I-N-G, making. Fourth one, bite, B-I-T-E, bite. E drop, add ing, so B-I-T-I-N-G, biting. Fifth one, love, loving, L-O-V-I-N-G. Sixth one, move, moving, M-O-V-I-N-G, moving. Okay, Nana? H Roman, add ing to the words in the box. Right? Watch what each one is doing in this picture. See all of you? Here hint is there, change E to ing. Same as like about the G Roman also. See, in this G Roman also you have to drop E and add ing. Here also same as like above. Okay? So here, first of all, you have to look at the picture. See, who are they? They are some children. So, here children are some names are there also. See all of you. He is Jack, Vijay, Alia, Rohan, Pervin and Joe. Okay. Some birds are there also. So this one is some park. Okay. See first one, Alia is dash. See first one they are given. What is that? Skating. Alia is, what is the Alia doing? Here see all of you. Alia is skating. Okay. Now second one, Rohan. Rohan is, what is Rohan doing? Rohan is writing. Okay, Rohan is writing. Here we have some box all of you. See all of you, in this box dance, write, skate, cycle, ride and slide. In this we have to drop E and add ing from suitable names. Okay, so second one is writing. Now third one, Jack is dash. What is the Jack doing? He is riding with horse. So Jack is riding. Now fourth one, Joe is dash. What is the Joe doing? Joe is sliding. Joe is sliding. Now fifth one, Pervin is, who is Pervin? Yes, she is a Pervin. So Pervin is dancing. Pervin is dancing. Now sixth one, Vijay is cycling. Vijay is cycling. Okay. I Roman, your teacher will read out some sentences. Write the doing words. See all of you, I have to say only for doing words and only say. I have to say only for doing works. But you have to write in this blanks. Okay. What I am saying, you have to write in this blanks. Okay. So first one, reading. Okay. Second one, writing. Third one, sleeping. Fourth one, drinking. Fifth one, drawing. Sixth one, washing. Okay, you have to write this mark. And now K Roman, write 5 sentences about Tubby. Use words from the box. Okay, you have to use this box and you have to write this 5 sentences mark. Okay, first sentence already they gave. What is that? Tubby is a brown cat. Tubby is a brown cat. So, okay. And he likes to eat bread soaked in milk. Okay. He likes to eat bread soaked in milk. Now, his favorite place to sleep is the sofa. His favorite place to sleep is the sofa. Fourth one, he loves chasing butterflies. He loves chasing butterflies. Okay, Nana? L Roman, fill in your sleep record. Keep track of how many hours of sleep you get in 1 week. See all of you, you have to sleep in In 1 week, how many days we have? 7 days. So in 7 days, on which time you have to sleep, you have to write in this blank. Okay, and when you wake up, you have to write, and how many hours you have to sleep, you have to write, all of you. Okay, here we have some box, all of you. So you have to write this is the first box you have to write, and on which time you have to go to sleep, and the second box is on which time you have to wake up. Okay, and this last box is how many hours you have to sleep. Okay, you have to write these 7 days, all of you. Okay, first Monday they are given, so remaining days you have to write. Okay, Roman, take what you do before you go to sleep. Okay, before you go to sleep, what are doing, you have to tick that one. Okay, check your answers with your partner. Okay, first one, brush your teeth. Second one, comb your hair. Third one, take a bath. Fourth one, read a book. Fifth one, watch television. Sixth one, drink milk. So before you go to sleep, what your actions, you have to tick that one, all of you. Okay.